Step into a realm where poetry intertwines with profound spirituality, where history breathes through verses, and where the human heart yearns for the divine. We embark on a journey to uncover the luminous legacy of Nur ad-Din Abdul Rahman Jami, a figure whose very name echoes with the wisdom of ages. Prepare to be enchanted by the mystical insights and historical grandeur of a poet who truly bridged worlds. Born in 1414 in Kargad, a town nestled in what is now Afghanistan, Jami's early life was steeped in the rich tapestry of Persian culture. His birthplace, near the ancient city of Jam, would later inspire his chosen pen name, a humble nod to his origins. This region, at the crossroads of empires, was a crucible of intellectual and spiritual ferment. As a young man, Jami journeyed to Herat, the glittering capital of the Timurid Empire. This city was a beacon of learning and art, a true Renaissance hub of its time. Here, under the patronage of enlightened rulers, Jami immersed himself in an unparalleled education. His studies were vast and rigorous, encompassing the intricate logic of mathematics and the eloquent beauty of Arabic literature. He delved deep into the complexities of Islamic philosophy, seeking truth in every syllogism and discourse. The natural sciences also captured his keen intellect, revealing the order and wonder of the cosmos. Jami's intellectual prowess was matched by his spiritual yearning. He became a devoted member of the Naqshbandi Sufi order, a path renowned for its emphasis on silent dhikr, remembrance of God, and direct spiritual guidance. This affiliation profoundly shaped his worldview and artistic expression. His spiritual lineage connected him to Khwaja Sa'd al-Din Kashgari, a revered master whose teachings illuminated Jami's path. Through this guidance, Jami embraced the metaphysical school of Ibn Arabi, particularly the concept of Wahdat al-Wujud, or the unity of being. This philosophy posits that all existence is a manifestation of a single divine reality. Living during the zenith of the Timurid dynasty, Jami witnessed an era of magnificent cultural flourishing. The Timurids, descendants of Timur, Tamerlane, were fervent patrons of arts, sciences, and literature. This environment provided fertile ground for Jami's genius to blossom, allowing him to synthesize diverse intellectual and spiritual currents into his unique poetic voice. Jami's poetry is not merely verse, it is a spiritual odyssey, a profound exploration of the divine. His works are imbued with the essence of Sufism, guiding the reader through the intricate pathways of the heart towards ultimate truth. He masterfully wove complex mystical concepts into accessible and beautiful language. Central to his poetic universe is the theme of divine love, ishq-e-ilahi. For Jami, all earthly love is but a faint reflection, a metaphor for the soul's intense longing for its creator. This yearning drives the spiritual journey, transforming mundane experiences into sacred encounters. He often depicted the spiritual path as a journey of annihilation, fana of the self, leading to subsistence, baka in God. This process involves shedding ego and worldly attachments, allowing the individual soul to merge with the universal soul. His verses gently yet powerfully illustrate this transformative process. Jami employed classical Persian poetic forms, such as the ghazal and the mathnawi, with unparalleled skill. The ghazal, typically a short lyric poem, became his vehicle for expressing intense personal devotion and mystical insights. Each couplet often stands alone, yet contributes to a larger tapestry of spiritual longing. The mathnawi, a long narrative poem, allowed him to construct elaborate allegories and epic tales. These narratives, seemingly about human love or historical events, are in fact profound parables of the soul's quest for union with the divine. He used these forms to educate and inspire, making complex philosophy palatable. His poetry often features symbolic imagery, the moth drawn to the flame, representing the lover's self-sacrifice for the beloved, the wine and cupbearer symbolizing divine intoxication and spiritual guidance. These symbols are not mere embellishments, but gateways to deeper mystical understanding. Through his verses, Jami invited his audience to look beyond the superficial veil of existence. He encouraged introspection and contemplation, urging seekers to discover the divine presence within themselves and in every facet of creation. His words resonate with a timeless call to spiritual awakening, Jamie's prolific output includes over 50 books, a testament to his boundless creativity and intellectual vigor. Among these, several stand out as pinnacles of Persian literature, each offering a unique window into his genius. These works continue to captivate and enlighten generations of readers. Perhaps Jamie's most celebrated collection, Haft Aurang, is a magnificent compendium of 7 Mathnawis. This monumental work showcases his narrative prowess and his ability to infuse traditional tales with profound mystical meaning. Each poem is a jewel, reflecting different facets of spiritual truth. Within Haft Aurang, Yusuf and Zuleika shines as a masterpiece of allegorical storytelling. It retells the Quranic and biblical story of Joseph and Potiphar's wife Zuleika, transforming it into an epic of divine beauty and human devotion. Yusuf's unparalleled beauty becomes a symbol of God's perfection, while Zuleika's obsessive love represents the soul's intense longing for the divine. The narrative explores themes of patience, purity, temptation, and ultimate spiritual realization. Zuleika's journey from earthly desire to spiritual enlightenment through suffering and unwavering devotion is a powerful allegory for the Sufi path. Jamie's rendition is celebrated for its lyrical beauty and psychological depth. Another iconic Mathnawi in the collection is Layla and Majnun, a timeless tale of tragic love. This story, deeply embedded in Middle Eastern folklore, is elevated by Jamie into a profound meditation on love's transformative power. Majnun's madness for Layla symbolizes the spiritual seeker's complete absorption in the beloved, transcending worldly norms. The poem explores the idea that earthly love, when pure and all-consuming, can serve as a bridge to divine love. Majnun's suffering and isolation become a crucible for spiritual purification, leading him to a state of mystical union. Jamie's version is renowned for its emotional intensity and philosophical insights. Other Mathnawis in Haft Aurang, such as Salomon and Absal and Tufat al-Ahrar, the gift of the free, further explore themes of wisdom, ethics, and the spiritual journey. Each poem, while distinct in its narrative, contributes to the overarching mystical framework of the collection, offering diverse perspectives on the path to divine knowledge. Lawa, meaning flashes or glimmers, is a significant prose work interspersed with poetic verses. This treatise is a more direct exposition of Jamie's philosophical and mystical beliefs, particularly his adherence to Ibn Arabi's doctrine of Wadat al-Wujud. It serves as a guide for those seeking a deeper understanding of Sufi metaphysics. In Lawai, Jamie elucidates the concept that all phenomena are manifestations of the one divine essence. He explains how the multiplicity of the world emanates from the absolute unity of God, and how the seeker can perceive this unity through spiritual insight. The prose sections provide clear explanations, while the poetic interludes offer moments of profound contemplation and beauty. This work is invaluable for understanding the intellectual underpinnings of Jamie's poetry. It bridges the gap between abstract philosophical concepts and the lived experience of spiritual realization. Lawai is a testament to Jamie's role as both a scholar and a mystic, capable of articulating complex ideas with clarity and grace. Al-Arba'in, or the 40, is a collection of 40 hadith, sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, rendered into Persian verse. This work showcases Jamie's didactic purpose, aiming to provide moral and spiritual instruction in an accessible and memorable format. It reflects his commitment to Islamic scholarship and ethical guidance. By translating and versifying these prophetic traditions, Jamie made them more engaging and easier to internalize for a Persian-speaking audience. Each verse offers a concise lesson on piety, virtue, and the conduct befitting a Muslim. Al-Arba'in demonstrates Jamie's versatility and his dedication to both spiritual enlightenment and practical ethics. Nur ad-Din Abdul Rahman Jami is revered as the last great classical poet of the Persian language, a title that speaks volumes about his stature. He stands at the culmination of a rich poetic tradition, synthesizing centuries of literary and spiritual development into a unique and powerful voice. His work marks both an end and a new beginning, influencing countless poets and mystics who followed. His legacy is defined by his unparalleled synthesis of Persian poetry, Sufi mysticism, and Islamic scholarship. Jamie did not merely write poems, he crafted spiritual experiences, intellectual journeys, and ethical guides. He demonstrated that art and faith are not separate, but deeply intertwined, each enriching the other. Jami's poetry continues to resonate deeply with readers across cultures and centuries. Its exploration of universal themes, love, longing, truth, and the search for meaning, transcends geographical and temporal boundaries. His verses offer solace, inspiration, and a pathway to deeper self-understanding. He is remembered as a supreme master of both ghazal and mathnawi poetry. His technical brilliance in these forms is matched only by the profound spiritual content he imbued them with. He pushed the boundaries of poetic expression, demonstrating how traditional structures could convey the most intricate mystical insights. Beyond his poetic achievements, Jami was a towering intellectual figure. His contributions to philosophy, theology, and Sufi theory cemented his place as one of the most influential thinkers of the Timurid era. He was a polymath whose knowledge spanned the breadth of Islamic sciences. His influence extended far beyond the Persian-speaking world, reaching into the Ottoman Empire, the Indian subcontinent, and beyond. His works were studied, admired, and imitated by generations of poets, scholars, and mystics, solidifying his position as a foundational figure in Islamic literary and spiritual history. Jami's tomb in Herat remains a place of pilgrimage, a testament to the enduring reverence for his spiritual and literary contributions. His words continue to inspire seekers of truth, reminding us that the path to the divine is often paved with beauty, wisdom, and the profound echoes of a poet's heart. Jami's life and works offer a profound journey into the heart of Persian mystical tradition. His verses are not just beautiful words, they are keys to unlocking deeper spiritual truths, inviting us to contemplate the unity of existence and the nature of divine love. He was a bridge between the earthly and the celestial, a guide for the soul's ascent. His legacy reminds us of the enduring power of poetry to transcend the mundane and touch the sacred. Jami's voice, though from centuries past, speaks with a timeless resonance, urging us to look within and discover the divine spark that connects us all. He truly was a luminary, whose light continues to guide and inspire. Are you ready to delve deeper into the mystical realms Jami so eloquently described? We invite you to explore his timeless works, to let his verses wash over you, and to discover the profound spiritual insights they hold. Seek out translations of Yusuf and Zuleika, or Layla and Majnun, or immerse yourself in the philosophical depths of Lawa'i. Share your favorite Jami quotes or your reflections on his mystical philosophy in the comments below. Let us continue this journey of discovery together, honoring the legacy of a poet whose words remain a beacon of light for all who seek truth and beauty. Engage with Jami's wisdom and let his mystical tapestry enrich your own understanding of the divine.